Do you think barcodes can only be black and white? Let's break that rule. Want to print colorful barcodes, but start with endless plain making and color matching? Relax. Now, INKBANK launches a brand new UV barcode label printing solutions. No more complex processes, no more high costs. From now on, no more plates, no more color matching, just one machine. That's all you need. Reliable data, barcodes, QR codes, even images, all handled. Look at the color saturation. It's 30% higher than that of screen printing. Let's zoom in 10 times. These edges stay crisp and sharp. And the best part is, it is waterproof and resistant to scratch, wear, sunlight, and agent. Tough from production to delivery. Your labels will stay durable and clear throughout the entire logistic chain. Say goodbye to black and white limits. INKBANK UV barcode label printing solutions brings your labels to life with vibrant colors. Make every label a bold impression of your brands.